Hey guys, it's Elord here. Welcome to my channel. This is my version of doing hot pot. Let's start to boil our soup base with a whole chicken, ginger, onion, star anise, bay leaves, carrots, celery, and lemongrass. Remove the fats. Don't forget to put salt and pepper. Boil for a while, and when it's ready, you have to transfer your soup base into your hot pot skillet. So we're doing a hot pot today, and I'm done preparing everything from soup base, from washing vegetables, preparing the other ingredients. If you can see here, if you can hear, kumukulo-kulo na yung ating soup. And we have a spicy and non-spicy one. So we have here the vegetables, the green leafy vegetables. We have the watercress. We have the shrimp, beef stripe, tofu, different kind of noodles, different kind of mushroom, fish balls, squid balls, fried tofu, what else do we have here? Cutlet balls. So imitation crab meat. We have the pork, but hot pot here. We have the spring onions for garnishing later, the additional flavor. And we have the cilantro. And so what we're gonna do now, guys, ilaglag natin. We're gonna put the vegetables over here sa non-spicy soup. The mushroom, vegetables. sauce. Maglagay tayo ng chili spicy. Ito. Tapos, lagay natin yung peanut butter sauce. And, saan yung isang spicy? I-mix natin to. The other spicy. Okay. Dagdagan natin ng another spice. Spicy, spicy, spicy. I love spicy. So, ayan. Hindi tayo kumain. Meron akong buko juice. And ready na yung aking sauce. Guys, ang easy na gagawin sa hotpot if you want to try at home. And sundan nyo lang yung kung ano yung ginawa ko para gawin yung soup and yung preparation. Madali lang to. Yun. Thanks guys for watching and hope you enjoy and see you around. Bye!